Goat we look out today now. And roti when we done.
Rasta, I see everything but I not smell nothing.
Do you have to smell something so quick?
Hey, man.
So I will wait for the
Jesus, speak. Let me see it.
See, right?
Oh, no, you can't even see one of the teeth mark them in there.
In only 60 weeks, you can't do them China.
You're not too sure, boy, mother.
What still?
See?
Potato rosemary night.
So I have to call you leaf just left on it. Martel TV, one channel TV, Rasta come up with the knife, he did the goat.
You come up with a big bad smile today.
You watch him. He happy. Watch it.
Happy like what? Look here, people. That's what I like to see. The goat. When them bring the goat, they make me smile more.
So, hold on, no? What more you do? Before you throw it out in the iPod, tell me if that one there, a rami or a she goat. Smell it and tell me.
This won't tell you how. Yeah, this is ram. Not the genuine ram we mash up other day. No. This is the ram we kill.
It's a rink.
Ring.
Clean him up and get him for the road, Rasta.
Clean them up and get him on the road.
Someone see a smile when I do like a vegetable.
I don't smile every time. Because I vex, no vexation to do nothing. If I don't have no love, I don't do nothing at all.
I don't talk about love.
Yeah, but
See it here, I waste it already.
no, I can't waste. I flick and drop out, we tough up.
Oh. Yeah. So yeah, I did it today. Goat and
Goat and roti.
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 For goat and roti.
Roti. I know what I say roti. Roti. Different style. We are roti it out today. You the goat.
Yeah.
Let me say, General.
Roti.
One Martel TV roti now today. And the Easter Monday. Now say go?
So no fish and bread, should I deal with
Nah, man.
Or fish and bun.
Fish and bun not nice. Fish and bread can nice.
You never eat it yet?
Yeah, fish and bread bun. All when night a fish and bun me I eat it.
Eh?
Yeah, when I bun when I Saturday night I come out. Big old fish. Cherry, yo look down there for the scale them. Mr. Cherry cast 3 big fish. Brother and this was bust them up. Let me tell you something.
Sweet, yeah.
What? Yeah, and them boy want pan it channel. You have to go make we get to
So why you never get your shells left here when I
Nah,
say
man,
I
we
go
have
eat it for
to-
your channel?
we have
No,
to-
fiddly.
I not like that him should have do.
I say, boy, you know, I go share
No,
it to
can't.
them.
Slice it up and left for a
That-
slice.
that's it. We have to go buy 3 of them.
We
now,
don't
that's
talk
two
about
of
it.
them.
Could I leave here? Or
Leaves upon tree. When my tell me about leave, I leave upon tree.
But Rasta,
Yeah.
when we're done with this, what we are going to eat after? Cause roti on a substance. We know we are going hungry after again.
So
innit?
you go so Rasta.
If you are hungry, that is your business.
Roti can full belly.
Roti
no?
can full belly.
Full year belly.
So you can, so you name yourself, you can full your belly. That's right. Yeah. Let me say.
Yeah.
Cut him up in a bite size.
Yeah. Oh, you know.
Oh.
You know them when them too big now your mouth you can't bite it.
When we're beginning.
It's a good.
Yeah,
You have to cut them up in a bite size.
yeah. Right, we know.
Yeah, right.
It's a 1 carrot boss.
Here 1 carrot no come away. Every time when you come and I contempt you all you, but you want Rasta, want enough carrot in my one, you know.
I mean, make sure I see carrot in my plate.
All right, see that? On it Martel TV. One little stringing feeble
How
carrot.
big carrot this one?
This are big?
I mean,
You know what is big?
see that? Neon?
You know what is BIG? That is small carrot. So I don't know what you talk about big carrot.
So I'm going in a goat pot there.
Watch yourself on the mash it meantime if it working. Goat pot is working. Know what you say? Because you go to there today. Let me say,
Whole heap of goat want in a plate in a restaurant.
what if I go to one today?
Yeah. Unless roti.
Unless you better get enough roti. Boy, you talk about, you get about 2 pieces of goat now for you. Because you is not a goat man. You are the other type meat man.
Which other type of
Me
meat?
don't know about it. You know what you're other type, but it
The
can't
sweet
work.
sweet meat?
You can't work as well.
The sweet meat?
Me don't know if it's sweet to you. But it not going to work over here.
The sweet oink oink?
You're lucky as oink oink. This is me.
Yeah, Father, shine on the light
Yeah,
from way
that
today.
you are.
Like that.
Like that, Father. Bless him. More sunlight. Easter Monday. So happy all Easter to all the family, the kids, the young ones them in the whole wide world. And the Martel TV channel who tune in and watching. Subscribe I love the channel. Cause watch her. Ram goat we about today now. And some roti. See there? Look here, people. Goat we about today now. And roti when we done. See there? Goat meat today. And the roti and the Martel TV Easter Monday today. So got to subscribe and more love for all the people within the channel. 3 hours on the app. So we deal with it. Big Mike is not here today. I don't know where we are.
I know, so I call him earlier and Big Mike is saying they want to be a part of it.
I don't know where Big Mike is now. But I'm
I
telling
don't
you,
know,
Big Mike.
he must sieve the road.
Big Mike is on the road sieving it. Because he don't know, say, if he don't sieve the road, he cannot make no money to pay his bill. So he got to sieve it.
Yeah, man, one Big Mike
Sure.
too, you know. Sealer, you skilly, man?
One Big Mike that. That is Big Mike style. Big Mike's a seal.
Big Mike piece that I try fly away a while ago, you know.
Oh, you know, sir. And Big Mike, what I say? This is as I see it, I make sure I put it in between my teeth and talk it. It's gonna be nice today. Oh,
Then what I have in my mouth?
What I have in my mouth? My tooth.
Tooth.
Yo, that is Big Mike.
Yeah, man, one last go.
One Lasco kid. Upon the app.
Rasta got me, sir. Oh, me not bring no skillion. After every time I bring a skillion, implant them out in a field.
We bring 2 parcels of scallion,
Whenever
he
you-
use 1 and plant 1.
You're a liar boy.
A real thing, Rasta, you know.
Real
remember?
thing. Throw water and I can wash off this. It's a ginger this. If you go and I go. You see it?
That is it.
That is a ginger. Cherry.
Rasta open up put it in so big in a car. I hate when
I see
them
some
put the
put it in.
ginger them big in a
Some-
trick me say a piece of goat.
Yeah, that-
When me buy it in
Yeah,
a this.
It can't last, no.
What man
Oh,
put in my
God,
ginger,
man.
You're not going to know.
Just a taste of
Because
flavor.
that tasty flavor. You never ask. Now, cure me with ginger and nothing. You can't find it.
Well, robot. Greater Ian.
And all great time. Dice out small. So you try to buy them know so you charge ginger.
Yeah, man.
So you know taste the ashness.
Not it. Every time you cook out in a way you want it long time.
Yes, so then time
Yeah,
they
big one
done
carrot
infuse.
So one can't work.
No.
today. I pressure them out.
Nah, pressure nothing.
A gerber.
Che, man, I look for yeah, man, I look for goat churro. I look at every time they come I look
So
for
Rasta,
goat.
man,
And one
something.
carrot, then can't
Man,
come the
I got
Rasta
you
for the
something
pan the channel.
No, when
And
they
I
go-
one Martel TV channel.
Listen.
And up and run and this you can't come
Listen.
Martel.
So now when the goat done tender, you go put in.
Yeah, but we don't want one in night, my road boy. We want that 3, 4.
That take
that-
away the goat taste.
Nah,
bad
sir.
man, like a sweetie sweet when carrot I go bring
Nah,
it.
man, the carrot not good nice, man. I can't tell you
Alright.
that.
Carrot in a curry fiddler and too much carrot in a
And
curry,
that's 2 feet in there.
it mash up the flavor.
Rasta want 2 pound of carrot for 1 pound of goat.
Yeah,
Yeah,
2 pound. So let me get 2 pound now. Me cook some of them whole like this. Look, now cook them whole like this. I eat it side with the roti with the goat.
Rasta, may I tell you something? Not long so enough again in your mouth.
Yeah, you can't tell me a carrot. This is carrot. This is carrot.
How am I talking
Natural thing for our
about?
time,
If you
bro.
talk about it,
Yeah,
how
it
your
is
mind
on
gone?
Eh?
How your
My
mind
mind, my mind can't go no road, bro. My mind is right with my channel.
Oh.
Right, that's how me I deal with the thing with the love.
Not in the gutter.
Not in the sliding of the gutter. Because we not run down
better
no.
make-
We not run down no butter.
You better make sure you cook properly if you get a good score today.
Cook properly.
You see last time you do the mega
Me not do
the
not no
carpet
last.
dumpling.
Mm.
I forget you one or 1, 2 you say, sure. Know him today.
So experiment.
Yeah, know him today.
It's alright. Because
So
you
you
couldn't.
do the rubbish
You
today?
couldn't eat half you. Much less squiddly. What
That's
do you
sure,
do?
so we never enjoy it.
I don't enjoy.
That's
Where you
what
say you want
should I give?
one should I give?
Or one negative
That
one.
you say you need. I will look about it and guess what now? You bust.
I want
before-
negative one.
You
should I
bust
give?
before you're done. You start to cut them up and feed forward. You might see them thing too.
Yes, and feed forward,
Feed
feed
forward, feed them, feed with feed one too.
All
Right
your
through.
curve in your
No, no curve,
Yo,
curve.
about say floor big.
You know matter
Fiddle
that.
about the floor. It weigh about 3 pounds.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
One of them.
The floor heavy, man.
But a 1 pound of flour we cooking now.
Which pound of flour?
Uh,
Pound and a half of flour.
They
I
not no
remember,
matter.
I remember a greater cocoa.
Yeah.
Everything, so you know that build up the weight too.
They not no
And
matter.
cornmeal,
That
everything.
is 1 more, 2 more flour upon
You're
that
mad.
thing. You hard or something and you
I
can't
remember
finish
say food, I can't manage too much food in the
it.
stuff.
Why?
I don't know.
My stomach weak.
Can't manage too much food.
In
Yeah.
Unix 60 in Unix 60 week, you can't do that try that. You grind an hour.
Unique system. Unix system soft.
Fuck. Instead of if you are grind forward, it will take time to spin backwards. So you can't turn over when you need.
The valve them mash up.
Valve them now grind. And not the piston and now move up and down. They just attract us up.
Unix system down.
You want the 16 is down. Remember, you have to start drinking some Cersei and bitter wood.
Open up in Unix system.
Open up your appetite.
Where's your drink, Rasta?
Bitter wood.
Why?
Cersei. Neem. And tree bush.
Dog blood.
No, I'm not drinking that dog blood.
No, dog blood.
Yeah,
A belly of that Rasta.
Yes, me have to
No,
clear
man.
out.
I know, man.
No,
Good, man.
No, man, no, nobody turn you no damn fool.
Tell them here, mommy, because I'm going to no sense for a big man.
Rasta. A belly man make you dash Rasta.
Yeah, but me not tell you for that.
Dog blood does not belly neither.
I mean, I want
Tell them
to.
again.
Dog blood uncle clean out you.
But I know me.
Clean out you. Clean out man and clean out you.
Yeah. Yeah, that's your belly.
Then it now go clean out the fetus.
Because if you did have belly feed food, you'd have it to eat food because guess what? You use dog blood and wash out face. You get mash up. You mash up on the system. Eh? Unix system. Gone. Unix system mash up. Because in the grind and I work with grinding food. So I think we give one dumpling. One dumpling will look like
the
this.
dumpling big than that,
No,
Rasta.
big like this. I swear it's
The dumpling is
big
a
like this.
I remember it's a 9-inch plate to put the food in.
Then no matter I could
The
have,
dumpling at 9-inch.
I could have 12-inch plate. You should have eat half few.
You're mad.
I'm mad.
Fiddler, could I eat half here?
No, sir.
No, it have none.
You could eat half.
No dash your food, no give foul. Cut up in a slice. And I say, boy, foul, make the foul for your happy day.
Yeah. Then there, they must eat too.
Everybody gotta eat.
It's alright. You know, I make more mega flour and tell me about.
Yeah, you do. Every time, make sure you cook this properly today.
Me not a behind me, I put that display. Heil mine today. Like
And salt.
All up, I say heil. Watch me and into that. Joan with the heil. You sweat? Alright, my general. Today. See it now.
All I skill on this will bring your plant
I
out.
still buy from market with plant. I rob on the rob me on the come. So now crook. So watch her now.
A spring bean in there, Rasta.
Red peas.
A red peas.
The draw one. 4 root of scallion. See there? 1 draw.
One root of scallion nothing.
4 root upon it. See there? 1
little root that Rasta.
One root of that 4 upon there. See there? So you can say a natural thing for out of farm.
Okay. Fresh.
See? Fresh. Nothing now waste. You see? This is what the top of them talk.
Yeah, it was all light today.
Yeah, because guess what? Nothing on the
No,
pan.
right now you want to plant back piece of that.
Yeah, man, that man.
Yeah.
Left piece.
Yeah, plan back one.
So, I don't know, man.
I want to call me if you take so much, you know, so when I forgot plan back
Plant back away.
in your belly.
Oh.
Eh?
Fresh still.
In the fresh, where that come from? Straight out of the farm. Fresh.
Someone have one goat there, so so we are comparing.
I'll kill him.
They not kill him.
Where do you
Yeah, take off a foot.
Yeah, I eat that. Yeah, dear man. You have to kill the whole
You
line.
want a back leg, just take off a back leg today.
And next day you want a back leg come back, so you're not sour.
Eh?
You're not rotten.
Next thing come back and mortgage and fly.
And fly. So remember tell me, sir, we have one goat, so we keep every day and come take off a
Get
back
him
leg.
fresh.
Get him fresh.
Mirror.
So how it how
I
works,
never
sir?
fresh that. I
Thinking goat that you're here.
So I vinegar good for Rasta.
Take off the rawness. So you wash it with the vinegar.
So you ever use vinegar beer there, Rasta?
I remember try to say, right?
When I use vinegar for bait, I look like me raw tail. You see me a raw meat?
And this is what this is,
You see
Rasta.
that boy that's sick in the head?
This is what this is,
That's what
Rasta.
me tell you, say he's a mad boy from morning. You don't know where thing they get you from. I have you down a yard. You're sick. You need to take so.
Anyway, vinegar do a lot of things.
Yeah, but with
Mama
it.
cherry attack
But
you.
Yeah, me know for real, but.
You never beard with it yet.
Oh, you must say you never be able to do
Oh,
it.
no. Anyway, that's all I can be able to do, Rasta. Right?
You want some I go today?
Curry chicken, she said she need.
Nah, you like too much curry chicken. You better eat, try to
But the
learn.
curry chicken bad than curry goat
No,
still,
sir.
Rasta.
Can't tell me that. What nicer?
I'm sick now on the blasted it.
It's very nice, curry chicken though.
No man, the curry
Alright,
pork.
me ask you something.
Pork.
Curry pork better than all of that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, man, I told you that.
Listen then.
Alright. The curry pork,
You see all you?
You see, when
Bad.
you eat it,
Yeah. So mama, what me ask you a thing now? Since Dodo big, you see my eat no pork?
I never see do on them both for me knowing.
So I know.
You see?
So I know.
Is that right?
You know, as someone my wife stay, you know. All when she know the truth, she pick up for me.
Hold on.
Hey, Kim, him a wonder where auntie I gonna send now in a man. Him a wonder where she a gonna drop on him now.
Yet.
Yeah. Alright, Rasta, you can lick off of that now then.
This a man feel like going to try because we not look for none give him
Sweet meat.
bad meat that you
Yeah, and if you was on
do
rubbing
that
season
thing,
still,
that I gotta do that now.
now we get a knife style, you know.
This pull already?
So you have to put salt on him for salt season already.
Jesus,
I wrote
peas.
this name, you hear?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, hold that, you boy. Hold that, now you see you boy. Yeah, ball out. Where my ball out from out there? You think I hide this when I start to say I go again?
But just we're going to put none of this one.
That's how.
Baking powder.
So what?
Make it get enough. You say you put baking powder upon thing, it's swelling up.
I don't want to we have the baking powder pan. You think I don't
You know want more goat in our pot,
You
man?
think of flour we have fry? Like we there what I say to tell you, we tell you to fry flour. We look at be a flour fly man fry. So
So you eat none?
flitters. Flitters in fry.
So you don't eat
They will not eat. When I spend my money until we go buy flour we have to fry.
Fried dumpling.
Fried dumpling, you tell yourself to buy.
With
Saltfish, we have got to fry saltfish.
So you make fritters with everything?
No, you fry saltfish is different.
Oh, John, messed up.
Mess up, man.
I mean,
Water then, I throw water in
You
it.
don't know if you make the fried dumpling, that's why.
All right.
You know that door and stuff?
You not ready yet. I'm about to that work at Kentucky. Watch it. So I'm dealing with the ginger, big man. So when this done, and boil out now goat, look there. You cannot see it yet.
Boil it, goat.
You boil it.
No, man.
You not boil it, I'm boiling.
No.
When you want me to stew it?
You cook the goat.
That's two goat I get today.
Well, last time you cooked the brown stew goat, you ball out.
Yeah,
You
you.
say fiddly.
We don't-
A curry me like.
The curry we like with the
Who no
brown
want
stew.
brown stew?
No brown stew goat over here. So you've been the right thing today.
Ah, curry?
Curry. Every day I come, here I come.
Curry goat come like a dead yard style.
No, sir.
boss.
You hear that? No, you cannot say that.
Remember, every dead yard you get
No,
curry
sir.
goat,
I
you know?
lie that.
You ever got dead yard and get curry
How you
goat?
mean?
What you get?
Tell them boy
Chicken.
the worst dead yard we are gonna when them a give
I didn't get dead yard.
the bread sandwich there.
Bread sandwich.
Bread sandwich.
Bread sandwich.
Bully
Bully bee sandwich. Worst than that.
What do you mean I worse?
What do you mean?
People ain't can't afford
They can't afford more than that. They can't afford more than that. Because only one afford to buy box to buy it. So only one afford box to buy it. The box costs so much money, so when they can't afford to buy one cow and one two goat. No, I'm not to come out of there to come cook, you know.
Rasta, you don't want to cancel the box money.
You can't see box money. I'm buried dead in
In a white sheet.
No,
like
sir.
Colin
In
Dale.
a dirt. Because generally, for original days, I say you shall bury in a dirt. I don't know where they come with this box beef that cost much money. The money cost back to buy food for people and them properly. Wasting time to buy box. And have the dirt where if you melt out back in. Use the money.
$1 million box.
$1 million back. Use the money and buy $1 million food for people. And eat. Just like that. You hear me?
Oh God. It's a fiddly, my going better.
Man, learn.
You say you don't want no more than to cook goat.
That's what I look like is we just night pot to get
burn the curry,
just
yeah.
burn the curry.
Him a learn.
I know well I really do them things, you know, but sometimes we have to start the things and people don't want to hear the things.
Nothing like that. You did think I'll make gravy. Move
I'll
yourself
make
for
gravy.
yourself.
You
Move yourself for yourself.
That's your one. Watch it.
Hey, take out that out of pot.
That's your one.
See what's going like you see?
You go on, man.
Where's the fiddly? I look for you seriously, you know?
That's your one. That's your one. oil. Like, put some oil in like ghee. I never feel coriander. Oh,
See if you're no sizzling at this, yeah.
You know?
Oh God, me hear it from
The
afar.
sizzle like that, I'm a garlic sizzling you're gonna hear. You're gonna hear my curry sizzling now. See the people.
Rest of your fart, yeah. I have no matter.
That me just tell you, say by the time you reach back this bun up.
Yeah, yeah.
Jesus peace.
Burn. Burn.
It's burning.
Burn. Burn. Catch black, huh? Catch black.
Black curry today, no people.
Catch black.
Yeah.
Catch black.
Mm.
Catch black.
And a curry chicken, a black chicken today.
Yo, man, Papa. Yeah, Papa. This down black. Look, man. Just look in the pack. You see any black in there? Yes?
See it, man?
I curry a turn if you turn down.
If you turn.
You ready?
See them hide it friends, you know, I see that. See there? I'm going to see that.
No, let me see where I'm going with today.
You have to see.
Yeah. We are safe. And we are do everything we don't get no sense.
Rasta, I see everything, but I not smell nothing.
Do you have to smell something so sucky?
Hey, man.
So I went off wait for 6 minutes.
I can't believe this.
All the while I like the pot. John, man.
You know, why you teach me how to do that, Rasta?
What is?
Why you teach me how to do that, you know, Rasta?
Blacky pot.
No, for put on the silence upon the pot.
Yeah, like how you put the front of cook your food. I know on the crowd, why you teach you if you have a silence.
Yeah, me don't know how you do it, you know, but why you teach me?
Well, I teach you a freaking so let go. You know, I let out the freaking.
Oh, I know how if it don't let out the freakens.
So when you pull it now, it just come to you and you.
I want to know for massive freakens, real.
You're not going to know for master till you cook it pot.
Alright.
So when you cook it pot, you can know for the.
But you have to teach me how to do it.
Teach me now, I'm not sure so watch I eat that.
Alright.
The freaking style come now. Up and running, prescribe. One Martel TV, one love. Straight.
So, how are you the Rasta? Oh, what is? So that's spring water already?
Oh, yes, sir. See there? No. A lick of that. Just catch it in our pack.
Yeah, people.
It's sick.
Yeah.
Good old curry goat soup today.
How much you feel like I work to the field?
Yo,
On a scale from 1 to 10, how much you
listen me.
Yo.
I mean, I tell
Let me tell you this.
More you be a give a honest
Not your big
people.
honest. You see score thing now. We done with score now.
The
Done with
pass
score
that-
now. Come and pass score already, you
No,
know.
man, when me
I
and you
lent me a lent to you now.
I read that, Joe?
Yeah, we done with score now. I lent now.
Listen me.
No.
yes,
Yeah.
run.
I know what the score is going to be today.
Eh?
Because you see, as him put in the goat in water down but the flavour. Oh, God, man, all the score water down today.
I want water down here one year. Whole year, say. Whole year.
Oh, yes, sir, Rasta. Yeah, nice, you could score today.
I want water down here.
Hear that, peeps? Goat to go and boil down,
You
yeah?
say, you smell it, kids?
I don't smell it yet. I smell the wood bun.
Why?
Rasta say water tender goat, eh?
A steam tender wood. Fire. Me can't tender it. Fire tender it.
Fire cooking.
Yeah,
Fire cooking. You can put it on here.
All you do is put it. All you can do is with it, season it up, the right and proper way they love, put it on the fire. I fire the little word. Me can't do no fire do.
Nothing more.
Nothing more.
See, when you don't taste good, Rasta, I fire off, you blame you.
No, you can't blame the fire.
Are you?
Blame
Blame you.
the man who put on the thing for
Yeah, it's for you.
Me I know you. Me a Rasta.
So, Rasta,
One do this.
what more I ask you?
Yeah.
So, if somebody goes to boops and cook, callaloo give me, and a beer water in it, who am I blame?
The who cook callaloo.
Oh, alright.
The cook callaloo give it water.
Me just ask you something bad, man.
The callaloo no cook with water. You put on callaloo with a little bit of oil and a little bit of butter and steam down.
Me just ask you something.
So we have to tell about water. If you want water to cook something, you just get one big pot of water.
So, you never cook no callaloo with water?
Callaloo in the callaloo soup you want.
Me ask you, you never cook no callaloo with water?
Me? When I use callaloo with water for
I go and find back that video they give people them.
That video for your head.
Yo,
I want
you
to
is a
find back-
lion!
I want to find back your video with your water flow. Where you have to try your hand there. I will find the floor.
That even fine.
And that you
That-
find. And you use
Listen.
a knife or crepe or
And
something.
just because we see if you not
See
put
if
out
I
the
see
callaloo
you,
video.
That the day if you so you are sweat. Wanna make you
Rasta
sweat.
ball
Yeah,
say now cook nothing more.
No, if that is going to flow and mash up.
That's all, everything.
Everything not done.
Rasta, we gonna compile all of them
Don't
fields
worry
there.
yourself.
and
of
post them.
All I feel of videos.
What?
Yo.
Me say me throw about 1 liter out of water out of 1 plate of callaloo. Rasta
When?
ball.
Which part you do that? When you do that?
The same day when you cuss say you not cook again.
Allah, you a tell for me? You's a liar, boy.
Look in the camera and tell me say I lie.
You a tell lie, boy.
Yeah, people.
See there?
Color 10.
Scent, nothing. Easy yourself, man. Me no want a raw curry.
In the corner.
You don't ready for that yet.
See there?
Yeah, man, you do it.
Alright, cover him up now, make him go and soak out.
Like a little bit of salt.
Bad man, make me
Jesus, peace.
time of truth now.
Moment
I'll
of
see you this
truth.
thing that Rasta. Come on, look up.
Wow. I want cup you if you ask for Martel.
One look up. No, that's too big. That's too
I want
big.
cup of that soup there.
That's too big, Rasta.
You know, nice.
Give me it. Time of truth.
You come down, man.
Bunks, you do a sitting there. A bunks about.
Rubber. And that him a tell you say a rubber, you know. Jiggly.
Jiggling now. A egg, hot egg.
I tell you what's going on.
Jesus.
Wow, more water for tenderize him down.
That water do can't tenderize, man. There's so much enough in there.
You think so? A rubber, watch out.
Well, I can go and tenderize.
Jesus, let me see it.
See you,
Oh no, you can't even see one of the teeth mark them in there.
You see how you do the other one?
Yo! Genoa! Watch out! Not even the fowl can manage it. Genoa!
Rasta. You say tender now or a bounce about, say this. We're down on the water.
Look, rubber, see me.
You say still tender, right? Now check it.
Rasta, tell man, put the camera back and get the sitting properly.
I don't know if the camera not made, so.
Yeah.
Yo!
Fiddler say, look, you look at bounce about, said we.
You see, you can't even catch peas on the fork.
Yeah,
The
we
fork
just-
can't even bore it.
Yes, it's soft, Rasta. Rasta, soft, it's soft.
The fork can't even bore it.
That's the way I'm going with now. Let me hold this for you. How you do it?
You know why, rubber? Rasta not tear off the look out I lay them, man. You not tear off the whole of membrane them, man.
This way I'm going with now. Oh yeah, give me that try back. You think me a little baby I eat around for you? You think me a baby? Wow, cook more, alright.
Them in know. Me see say fork can't even stab it.
How do you Rasta? I'm laugh when you know how cooking go. Cooking is a process.
You go and laugh. I'll laugh till they're dead.
So you say you really are going to pressure yourself to try chop that and so might not tie up around your tonsil. So you just throw your and give chicken.
No, my mom don't love goat, so. If a chicken, me I eat the chicken said we.
Alright. Our next pot of goat I put on Rasta.
Yeah.
Alright, sorry, first one tough. That's so much fire out there need.
So I dance like a whole boat.
Yes, you say goat feet though.
Allah, you are
If a chicken or a fish, you done long time.
Yeah.
Now if you have butter, if you cook nothing somewhere.
You see me a butter? You sure say you don't see me a butter?
Me say, the fork couldn't even stop piece of meat, man.
Actually, ingredients are still away from it. Fly well for ingredients. You see it?
Yeah, man.
Fly well for ingredients.
You know, easy.
The farm can't catch ingredients and I go to take it out.
You say all Rasta.
All goat that, man.
Let me see you in the pot, man. We lock it up so far, so. Rubber them and cook them.
Yes, we have cook rubber, yeah? Hey. Man comes on some things, so I tell people we have cook rubber. And when we are seeing what this man, you never see the rubber somewhere black. So I don't know what you talk about.
Yeah, make history today. You give it green rubber.
What am I talking about Rasta about rubber?
You can go and chat.
That you have your mouth for yes, man. Go and chat.
Go ahead, sir. Fire so.
The pot took like the giddy house over.
See it?
Yeah,
I really giddy house. Giddy pot.
Yo,
just cool man, me deal with everything, man.
Jesus.
Nah,
Mine you dash over the pot.
nah, dash over. Okay.
It's alright that.
Your ear parts are work.
Giddy rubber pot.
We don't get the rubber pot there. We have ram goat pot to cook today. No rubber in there. See there? Can what me to show now? See there? Look. You see anything in there black? You have one black guy. Take a picture of it. This is the pot of the ram.
The rubber.
Yeah, the pot here there. You hear the signal? Free against coming out. Lucky back free against.
Hey, when the pot a bubble sound like a helicopter, you know?
Alright, that's what you sound.
I'm pick out corn off a ginger finger them.
Me a ginger, yeah?
Oh, corn and ginger are growing at one. Let me see them. Let me see corn.
Where can they?
Show me corn.
You see the can there? Yeah? Look for me, man. You see can there for me? Man?
Are you just
Are
say
you
you
not
bite
telling me how I
corn?
pick corn?
The man has say if you fit ginger and you say
Ginger.
corn.
Me not plan no corn, and me not plan no ginger, so me no way come with ginger corn. See there? A ram goat rasta cook, see there?
Corn can go in a goat now, still I come with a put corn in a curry chicken.
No, go in this goat. No, corn goat this. This is goat, no corn goat. Look, come take a look. See the boss, eh?
Now if you
Yeah,
show
the
me
bubble.
in a rubber pot, you know.
You see this like rubber here? Yeah, I can't be far, I got you now.
Come in the season, they want re-season.
Yo!
I mean, in done you would have re-season again.
This is what?
First time you come with them things, you say I got re-season.
Ready for throw it in a pot there, eh? We'd have to go get more
No, man,
season.
alright, see you, man.
No, sir.
We say that.
All of them flavor they would have neutral out. Cook out.
Then that if you do cook out, that, and then you go in a roti. Just like that.
Roti nice, sir.
Yeah. When you cook out, for long as the fragrance cook out in nice season. Be nice.
Alright, my
I can't
boss.
fragrance with dealing, you know. Not season, you know.
Fragrance.
Fragrance is my topics on the new Martel TV channel running, up and running.
And the unique system.
Unique? You want a unique system? Yeah, I'm a unique system. Yeah. I'm unique. Eh?
Unique system weak.
Yeah, you see a unique system week, Martin. You cannot eat one you cannot eat one mega dumpling. Not even squidly. Squidly give foul and you give foul. And
So everybody now
if
eat?
I and I Rasta man alone with do upon the Martel TV eat off my mega flour and I never waste none enough.
Rasta, you know,
With that big spoon. Remember that?
And the corned beef, you can eat off the flour yesterday.
No? You see
The leaf of meat.
you see if you don't look up curry goat there, you eat have long time and take all food no one. If this is the day when we look about that mega flour, that will not get the knife.
You go sleep when you don't eat that one dumpling there, though.
That is half in
Yeah,
that.
yeah, one could have
One could have
One
really
can
share
see-
for you two
can
hours.
see-
I get two.
Yeah.
Cause
That
listen
mash up
me,
too.
listen me. You see the one flour?
Yeah.
About 8 dumpling in that one, you know?
Yeah, big man.
Or
big.
10, you know? Really and truly, you know?
Well, thick, you know.
Eh?
So I'm hungry, my female could have eat 1.5.
When you get it and see how this really big.
You mash it down.
Yeah, man. Wicked.
Next time you do that,
Yeah.
you must eat the flour.
Oh.
What you get.
No,
If you
we
cannot,
can't.
if you cannot eat it, you bite and swallow.
You see, when rice and peas cooked, you see me can't handle the plate.
You notice that? Why make you can't done it?
And too much food, them something bad,
And
man.
not too much food cover your unique system weak.
Tell him, Master.
Your unique system weak.
Tell him one more time.
Your unique system is very weak.
Weak.
You can't control the amount of food that you forget. Because you refuse it. That's what's wrong with the unique system. Yeah, you need to flush out.
Unique system will upgrade.
Yeah, you want upgrade the grinder system. It's working the right and proper way. It's a back way. It's not grinding the right way. So that's why the unique system is weak.
Yeah, you can re-season. From a look fine, you can re-season now.
I said no look like rubber no more.
When you see it, man, you can see it in and stuff.
Oh gosh, man.
They're not stiff again. I saw them
No.
stiff. You know, right?
Look like dead in a coffin. Show me in the pot, man.
You know, I'm not blow in there.
This is one water though.
You want a little water?
I want a little bit of water now for you.
Normally, you love water, but you don't get scared.
You man learn, man. It's a learning process, you know.
I'm going to feel like water for you.
Water and I pack this, you know.
It's a learning process, man, and you man learn. Me like that. You learn, Rasta. No more River Nile.
Don't know, so we can throw it in.
Sure.
Yeah, don't look at
I can't know how much you throw, that's why I'm going to tell you.
All right.
You trust me now, Fiddly?
Yeah. You say you a master shifu.
Man. What I make it talk. You have in one speech, so allow me doing speech. Yeah, every man have in one speech, you know, man.
True.
Take up that, lift up the pattern for me, killer.
We didn't talk so Fiddly. You feel him have somebody I work with him. Take up this.
Take up this with the killer.
Yeah, work with me.
Oh, but Rasta, you know, say, I want more if I use if you need the Roti though.
Look at them, look at them.
You know, say you know if we make it. When me ask you if you know we make roti, here no? Yeah, man, you roll it and you put it in a pot of oil.
I want more to use Roti still. You see, you know if you do it. You know, when you say Fiddly, you know, you advise, you want to cook.
No advice.
You see me, Rasta? But you see, you know, an advice, I was low you today. So what I want to
All me want to ask him to make sure say he no make nothing for mash up my Unix system.
Yeah, better make sure, yeah.
When say?
Man, say,
Don't make nothing for mash up my Unix system.
Yes, mix up this, drop the bandit.
yes, you spoil.
No, no point. Yeah.
No, I
That's
saw
you know-
it for
you know
look.
what it
I saw
hard,
it
you
for
know.
look.
Eh?
You know,
I saw it for look. It not for hard, man. Just go and knead out that, man. Yeah, need no more pint yet. Need it also.
You see me, Rasta?
It for more tender than regular dough, you know. You don't really dough form it for you. Dough texture.
If you kind of
Far.
sticky.
Yeah, sticky.
Yeah.
Like make out from the front.
Ah.
But we don't make no sticky.
So now sticky we want?
I was about sticky.
Right now, you want to come water up and
No,
make
man.
it sticky.
You don't understand how this thing go.
Sticky go in a book.
Sticky, but
Yeah, sticky.
You have to cover it down now, but you have to sit there and Rasta.
need him out, look more.
You have to and cut them in some
Ball size.
Some ball size and go and set. You ready to roll them out. And put butter on it when you roll them out. You shift and butter. You know what I mean?
We are going to do that, man. That's easy yourself, no?
Can you allow me to allow you all one, yo?
Yeah, but I'll leave him make
Yo,
you
I
finish
love
do
it.
this thing. Yeah, Rasta?
You see her?
Yo.
Alright, wait up the camera with some water. Got that you want.
Leave him furious.
Yeah.
See him?
Can you know what to do?
Yeah, you know if you do it.
So, we'll leave him. I'm a master seafood today. Rasta, alright. In a business, if you wrote it, go wrong, you know.
Yes, I go to
This, this is main concern.
Goat is main than
Yo, why?
flour.
Me no know how he stay so.
Yeah, flour easy to deal with. But if you goat, you have to have the patience. The patience to get out my ingredients. And then let out the flavors.
Yeah,
All type of thing.
you better make sure so the roti are flaky and
You
nice.
make sure say this a goat are nice.
Yeah, we're
That's
very
all
wrong
right.
thing. Fiddly, we're more concerned with
Goat.
goat.
No, really and truly, I go still.
Alright, I go to
So
one.
that
I
you
tell
better
you.
dash that and cook some white rice.
But you know
Yeah.
what I'm talking about. Right, I know. Like that's why they put on the right.
Like a white rice.
You have to want flour every day.
Roti, this is roti.
And flour see here. You can't be rot. I mean, I see that rot go nowhere. Flour in name.
Roti.
People don't go call it roti.
Flaky and bad still, huh? Roti.
What's it bad? Anything
Nice,
bad,
as
me
in
no-
nice.
If it's bad, me no want it.
If you dash right.
Me no want nothing very bad. If anybody can't use.
Yeah.
So, flour we are look about and
Roti.
flour with flaking out with butter.
You know?
We just roll it out,
Yeah.
flake out the flour, and that is it. We not no roti here, because we not know where I go and roll.
So Rasta rolling sitting here so big like a Johnny cake him a make.
Then I go press out road boy.
Along with them, feel roll too.
Who teach him them thing?
Oh, yes, sir.
Alright.
Just steal one.
He say he know how to do it, so.
Oh, yeah.
Soon
Then
we
you
done
want to give it this to them, man. I just hope it not hurt my Unix system.
that. Then where you want to roll.
Yeah?
See that?
Yeah, so they end up.
You know how my own looks, so.
No, you know, go look so. You might just wait so I make it go and set a little more.
Oh. Oh.
We set for another 10 minutes or so.
Yeah, boy.
I'm teaching to do everything.
That's how it go, man. Remember when you're born as a toddler, you know? Or somebody have to help you develop.
Yeah. What is for now? Roti.
Roti.
Roti or roti?
Roti.
Alright, my boss.
Yeah.
That's the what that you sprinkle upon the meat boat.
Island powder.
Island powder.
What? Me no want none of this.
You see island?
And a powder.
Yeah,
Yeah.
see a powder in a man. So you must know what
You
kind
know
of
you
powder
know that?
it is. Flour
Don't
powder.
get it twisted,
Don't
people.
get it twisted, people. A flour powder.
And
Flour.
cooking oil.
So a mark. Oil.
Yes, it
A
man.
liquor jill this.
Little jill oil.
Yes, that's it man.
Man can say it's a high.
Yeah, cool.
You know, that's what the board good rest of.
The board not does good already, general.
The man just rolling me in.
Yeah. You have a nice rolling pin with a second
Yeah.
rasta. Just work it the way you have to do. Well, this guy come on dust more.
Flip him now. Next side now and dust now. Flip him now. Yeah. Just stop stick on the bag now.
Yes, load. Yeah.
Why they not round? Or they
No,
not?
they're not fair
That's how it go, man.
Oh,
Experimenting on perfection.
Like a half.
I know, man. I know, rasta. Love this, hello.
I wrote it on a bun.
Oh, you want the butter though?
Yeah, frequently. Come it in.
I have a sharp piece of rosemary here, though. I don't want that.
Stick on half with.
So she don't, it never does good, man.
Can use the rosemary for jar the butter upon the pan.
Yeah. So what you want dust them here, it I want butter upon them here too. That fiddly, melt.
Good thing that, man.
Wow. You were just my boss.
Yeah, so rosemary.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. A lot of them man now though. All them sharp and rasta. That is it. It look fit. No him do?
Aye. No, tell you no.
Favorite ingredient I use now, you know.
Butter and oil.
Your butter, you grease the pan already?
What? Oh, so you might do for him thing. Alright, Rasta.
Yes, I took some shreds. Yeah.
Bring the rosemary come now.
The rosemary.
Alright, Rasta. And a fry.
A egg.
Spread it around there. Look at your mats. Make the rosemary essence release on the pan.
So,
Oh, Rasta get all confused.
alright, just take it. I'm going to roll two more of this up.
You want to turn?
No one turn it.
Like, well, you control this.
Rasta don't want to say him feel this.
No
You
feeling
control
like-
this.
No feeling of this.
Feel you know, in my
The rosemary,
eating.
Just, yeah, just about the good there. So. Wow. Jesus Christ.
What going over the mats?
Yeah?
They come on.
Yeah, they don't look bad.
Oh gosh, man.
Look bad?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, look good, man.
Just a worry about my unique system.
It have a little cocoa bread look. No, fiddly, that's a cocoa
Yeah,
bread
so
shape,
cocoa bread
A
look.
cocoa bread, you make rasta.
Anything I call it together.
Yeah. Take
What?
all your fids.
Rasta. True, we tell him man about butter.
Yeah.
Say butter do this thing.
Yeah.
Man make use of it.
Yeah.
And golden brown, you see then golden yellow.
Like a, it look like a something, no?
Butter bread.
Butter bread, you want make? You want go on with rasta about butter bread. You see, oh? Rasta doesn't make out all of them, you know, because you don't say this is limited to the rest, though.
Really on the board.
Yeah. You just make everything, you know.
Ready? So it tastes like. Hmm?
Tastes like a egg.
Rasta, you hear that? How you know egg taste and you say you don't eat egg, Rasta?
You know, egg eater, man. So no must know, man. Egg eater, you know, so egg eater, I tell lie. You say you're egg eater.
Tell him, say, me used to eat egg. Now, tell him.
That you say, Rasta?
Him?
Yeah.
Man saying can't wait till all the fall late.
That me know he say.
That's even though he say, man say, for years a cock, he make sure.
Out there.
It's out there, that's ready. Hop and run it.
Make sure them are ready. If it?
And don't mash up a unique system.
You roll up and say, no, me make them gear up there now.
Eh? Me tell us how that him want say no,
You try
man.
to mash up my Unix system.
Me tell us how that him want to say.
Right,
You hear me tell us you up there, so.
right.
So anything go wrong?
Him.
You season them,
Yeah, me sees up everything.
keep a butter, yeah.
Oh God, man. Heil.
And by you done tell we say, fiddle you done say, after you put this pan fire, there's nothing more you can do.
So anything happen?
And who season it. You gotta remember.
I'm so glad I was steer it.
You can't blame the fire upon
Now,
this
we should
one.
have something still, we should have a napkin to put puff them.
Puff,
though.
yeah.
Beat the dog. Roti where I deal with it. Watch me after the day.
When guys get so quiet, fiddle.
Run
Why?
in general. Up and running. See there?
I'm not too sure about what I'm do.
You
But still.
see?
Actually, little rosemary in it.
So I mean, because you leaf drop left on it.
But,
Who gave the idea there, Rasta?
That's it there. You know say if you do, man?
man, no, so who give you the idea where about the rosemary?
The leaf? The almighty.
Oh, that is good. Very good response.
You know the name?
This house style look like something like a first class restaurant, though.
First class restaurant.
Here on, man.
Which first class restaurant?
Fiddly I feel. I'm not type around there.
Are this
Oh,
real
gosh.
real fit?
I mean, rice one side, roti one side.
Alright.
Inna this, can't stay there.
Fiddle, we look on this thing, eh?
And a dark bowl, people.
Yeah, pick you.
You see what I go on. Mind the pot down in the mats.
Hold on.
Pot hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Hot, but it look good for the people.
Smell good.
Yeah.
Yeah, smell the frequency now.
Frequency.
A frequency? That's how you call it?
Yeah, that's what you say.
The frequency.
Look good. Smell
No
good,
bag of oil, just beer rankness and flavour.
And the carrot and
The higher at. Yeah man, sealer. Yeah, look good. Look good. Rank, boy, no? Rank your fruit.
How are this fiddly?
Oh God, man, I look how white rice go up on inside. I tell the
bun it
people,
up, though.
curry growth no complete without look white rice, believe.
No man, I rice and peas all the way for curry goat still.
No.
All if I eat stew peas fiddly.
Yeah,
I
a white
rice
rice.
and peas, me
Eh?
need.
You mad? Stew peas with the rice and peas, matter?
If me go a restaurant, I have to tell me say a white rice you have. Me no want that bad man.
You
You
know-
know, pay say that amount of money as well
No,
white rice and
if I even $100 or $200 less, but a white rice more.
man, rice and peas.
No, sir, that can't work.
Mommy, when you go a restaurant, rice and peas you want?
With stew peas. If you want stew peas, you want rice and peas with it?
A rice and peas.
All
you
right.
want same with you.
Your
What
mommy
you want-
say?
What you want, Rasta? What? This year, everyone fish here, one, you know, yo. Put it in. Here I go and say, you don't know, me I go give you. I'm a cherry one, though.
First
I'm
and
making
foremost,
See if you do.
rice and roti. Mama, no more rice? Huh?
That's enough.
That's it, good.
Yeah.
Cover that down there for a bit there.
Drop a roti.
Let me that part there. Let me Rasta.
Hold it up, Mr. Mart.
Have a knife, you bust them in a 2 feet, look more presentable in a dish still, though.
You have a knife there, sir?
Hold it up, Mr. Mart.
Load that. Hold it, man. Yeah, load that.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Fully flatty.
Yeah, no flatty there.
A roti?
Rotor.
A flatty.
Yeah.
And think you want to call it.
Alright, this look better.
Yeah, that look better. Presented. Here we go, boss.
Ready, feed?
Yo, me say go ring so till.
Ring.
You smell it?
Oh God, man.
You can turn it to like this, yeah. You want food to go in a unique system.
Well, this swimmer there, Rasta.
Jesus Christ, how can I plate this?
Fiddly, man.
My God. Why you have to take it that broad waiter today?
Yeah, man. Make sure that full up to. If I look a bit of food now, put pint now, but I put the pint there. Yeah, make sure one side that full off with rice.
One side.
Yeah.
See one side full off there, look.
So, I eat that? Jesus Christ.
Yo! Eh? You gotta get mad. You gotta say, yo.
You like your meal enough.
You gotta eat that? That's half a fiddly.
Yeah?
You feel what that?
No, man, look at that's for mine when I say. That's for you. But you eat nothing, remember, say. When you call it fiddly?
In unique system. In unique system big.
Big.
Yeah.
And fear one small.
In unique system, I must say, our V8.
No, man. V12.
Alright?
Alright. So you know set up it.
Alright, I'm not a full fiddly one.
Then no, don't fold nothing to fiddly.
Yep, I'm a full year one still.
Yeah. Let me set my one on my plate on me one.
Look better.
Yes, sir.
No, you don't
Me not touch your one.
Don't trouble mine.
Do your one or your one?
Master want few man broad in him plate.
Some want it. Yeah,
Yeah.
some want it.
But
Yeah.
for me light, no, on my one.
Rasta
like
fold up few man
Don't
like
worry
a
about
one
that.
back pocket kerchief.
So you want your one off it?
You know,
Yeah.
I my one.
You're good.
Make my one feel like that.
We tell you have more.
Me not.
Me mind don't eat off all the few man them while him a Friday, me know. Yeah.
Like my
All the goat. In turn yam quarter pound I goat.
Eat film.
Look, you say, I not get none I go. Because you have been a bully bee for yourself. You know, see?
You don't see with the bully beef, you know.
Alright.
Me not like bully beef.
The word.
I don't like it.
So you put film pan?
Oh God, man.
And my presentation, I like in a rasta and no food.
If you go down in a your unique system.
I'm not unique system.
Stop that no rasta, man. I'm nasty. What wrong with you, man? You're not set the place, man. Where do you?
You can wash off the bed.
You're not set my plate. Never need that.
What wrong with you, man? Watch her start draining her mouth water.
When? Look at my mouth. You see the mouth water draining out, right? Look. You see?
That platter you look good still.
The platter there.
One thing I like about it.
You want more?
Nah, man, must want other meat kind of. Piece of pork over there, so.
Chicken and so.
Lobster
this so.
What do you mean that can't work?
It's
As
not here, sir.
a your platter it a going on?
But it can't work on my platter.
The sweet meat.
None of that can't work here.
I true you eat too much of it.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, Martel.
say what?
Martel, you know what I want to see? You want to sit here down here one
A
today.
rasta want this.
No?
Oh, no, I hear on that.
Jesus,
See?
look at this.
Yes, man.
I'm not for the rasta, some other goat.
Me say, you want to sit here down this today,
can't manage
Martel.
too much food.
I mean, I can't manage too much food.
Mad.
Yeah, this man. Oh, God.
Yeah.
Take up a big brown.
Man, look at a big broad plate, man.
Oh, man, this hot, see my man.
And that food they're going to make it hot.
Hot, man.
Hot, man?
This man test first, you know.
The roti.
Yeah.
Fat blow, eh? None.
Hold on. Now for rest down this thing.
Look at it, rasta.
Look good though.
Far running. What me look?
Look well.
Alright. So me see them do it and I show them.
Hold on, I forward the
So
fits.
me see them do it and I move it. You see me?
Alright.
So me see them do it. Papa. And then eat. Then dip.
You know you like a butter bread, you know, but.
How about tab bread you get?
You know, get the
That's the
water.
right texture. The flavor, it not taste like the flour, the raw flour, you see me? The cook out.
You can
The
say
heat
bake.
pass straight properly.
Bake
but
out properly.
this is not really my thing.
The rice are your thing.
That me I gonna tell you now.
All right.
See this?
You see this? The man say a fiend thing, Martin.
This complete the meal.
Oh, that.
Rice.
Oh, the rice. Think I go to you, say.
But the roti,
Roti no bad.
who don't
Can I eat though, rasta?
Can eat, but would not see it again. I'm being honest.
You would eat it again, Rasta?
No.
No. Tell him the truth, Rasta. We would eat this again.
No, no, roti.
But it's so good.
Yes, a curry goat and white rice.
Curry goat and white rice. Nice. Make everything spice. Watch out. See?
Well, you know, go on too bad, but I tell you the honest truth. I've never tested roti before, so I can't really say, oh, if I saw it for taste or what, but
Yes, a cocoa bread.
Cook
A
properly.
cocoa bread this.
butter bread.
Try butter bread there.
See that, man?
No, man. See there? This is roti with baking powder with flour. See there, boss?
What? Rice alone, me really fancy.
Right? Now, fancy two of them.
Rasta here, a rice in fancy and tear down half of one I roti already.
Me fancy two of them, because two of them will look more. Me
Yeah.
can't left out none.
Two of them nice.
But you wouldn't want it again, though.
Not say really me no want it again, but not with the project. Different thing.
Not with the goat.
A bully beef you want it with?
Roti with not more. Me no want no more roti. Roti with nothing more. See there? Roti and curry goat and white rice. Post so nice to the Easter Monday. Prescribe and one market TV up and running. See there? Lovely.
I best goat this Rasta cook still, people. You see me?
Lie I tell.
Yeah.
Rasta, you have a man taste bud?
That more I know.
I mean,
You have my taste buds.
Why?
Why?
the next time I cook
But I
a
best
goat.
goat this Rasta cook to you, man.
See next goat where I cook game. You have to have a little engine oil in the field. That's all.
Madness, I thought no.
Alright. So you say next week though?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Tune in. So me no want no what? Me no want no
Rasta
more.
say you don't want no more, man. I want to tell about next week, like you never want to give a film review.
I best go the same cook still.
Alright. Your sister me never tell a lie.
Go the same cook.
Never tell a lie.
Watch out.
You have to call bone.
Bone and can crack.
Yeah. Well good today. Tender.
You must try. Go now talk about if I water, you see? You not bad for water.
No, you not do it for water today. You go on better today.
Yeah, man, him improve today, man. You improve today.
Improve
I
everything.
best goat today, man. I tell you.
Alright.
Tell you what, go on for your roti.
That more I hear about.
No, no more still. I know fault for it roti still, you know, finger food.
Yeah,
so.
tear this with the
You
hand.
take up the roti and broke it, man. You not take use one fork. So,
Where you take up roti and do?
You do the roti?
broke it.
Oh. Test it
Anyway,
and tell we are,
okay.
mats.
And there you go. So, look now. And dip it in it and go like this.
Philip. Roti can't eat again, man.
No, sir.
Yeah. You could have
You
can work.
eat roti
You see you
instead
Rasta?
of white rice with curry goat.
You see you Rasta?
White rice with
Yeah, Rasta?
Roti.
You're contradicting.
curry goat,
Let me hear him out tell a sec.
Yeah,
Rasta
that-
just say no one no more, no.
You
No?
see roti and the curry goat,
Yeah.
it's nicer than white rice and curry goat. Now I tell you see a little rosemary where the roti have a night. I tell you, youth,
Alright.
this better than the white rice. Me a beef for rice and peas now.
Yo, that
That's
chump
something
for the
different,
rice
but-
and peas.
Yeah, but me I eat the roti and curry goat more than the white rice.
No, sir.
Hmm?
But your taste buds still.
My taste. The butter still. You know?
Alright then. That's a your honest review, so me
Rasta-
can't say you go, you know?
The goat go well.
Best goat.
So you see today now, me I give one honest 4.
you.
Rasta. You hear that?
The man tell me honest for is a wicked boy.
It's an evil.
Evil.
Here.
Alright, me
So
done
me I
that.
go give one honest 4.
Oh.
Come here.
4.
Me I give one 4 then.
That you say.
Take a 4.
That you say.
Of course, Sir
Stop it,
Rasta.
stop it. No, you're right. Stop it there.
Yeah man, so
Yo.
give a 4 until something else when you cook this even. The 4 can be improved.
Alright.
Improve all the way.
So Rasta,
Yeah.
what you have next in mind for the people and for the fans?
So hard food.
What kind of hard food?
Ground food.
So we are going to pair that with?
Curry goat.
No man, we don't want no more goat.
That you better prepare for. More goat.
Alright people, so we are going to reason about
So-
this
so
because we
yam
don't want no
and-
more goat.
Yam,
But,
dasheen and them thing the people. And the cocoa and them thing. No dumpling this time.
alright then, that was something bad.
Alright. Ground provision. See there? Rice and roti me I go and mash up today. See there? Well nice. Oh, yeah. Go and running. That
Alright.
water cook good to them. Me not tell you that.
Tell the truth.
Mile and nice.
Alright.
Right down to the what? To the board.
So we'll sign off for now, yeah?
And them one, Terry, them big fish there.